so far this year on the farm, we have a bunch of new additions. We have a large litter of piglets, and these are very colorful piglets. So like say, almost, just very multicolored with some spots. And then we have 7 new baby lambs with a lot more coming. Right now we have a set of triplets and then also 2 sets of twins. And like I say, they've got, some of them have some kind of polka dots on them, and the other 4 are all black. These piglets, they change so fast. They drink milk from their mom, and then they'll start eating grain here soon, but they're just very active, very, very fast growing, and they almost grow in front of your face. It's kind of amazing. The farm is always full of large animals, like say from the biggest draft horses, which weigh 1,800 pounds, all the way down to the chickens, which weigh 1 to 3 pounds. And like say, including, goats, sheep, chickens, peacocks, turkeys. We've got it all. Come see them.
We know our animals are cute and we love them too, but we just request that you please don't feed any of them and don't pet our horses.
In the next few months, we have lots of new babies coming. May and June will start our calf season, so we'll have lots of baby cows running around. If you want to follow our new arrivals, you can visit us on our website.